Sonos Roam 2 versus Bose SoundLink Flex. Which compact premium speaker should you buy? If you want premium sound in a genuinely portable speaker, the Sonos Roam 2 and Bose SoundLink Flex are two strong options, but they take very different approaches. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Sonos Roam 2 is the more versatile choice, especially if you already use Sonos at home. It supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay 2, automatic TruePlay tuning, and Sonos features like Sound Swap. It's also compact at just 0.43 kilograms and has an IP67 rating, so it can handle dust and temporary water submersion. Battery life is rated at up to 10 hours. Its biggest advantage is connectivity. At home, it can become part of a larger Sonos system, while Bluetooth lets you take it outside. The downside is that some of its smart features depend on the Sonos ecosystem, and its battery rating is lower than Bose. The Bose SoundLink Flex, particularly the current second-generation model, is more straightforward. It focuses on Bluetooth portability, with Bluetooth 5.3, up to 12 hours of battery life, IP67 protection, a built-in microphone, and Bose features including Position IQ, Party Mode, and Stereo Mode when paired with another compatible Flex speaker. It weighs about 1.29 pounds, so it's still easy to carry, but noticeably heavier than the Roam 2. For pure simplicity and longer battery life, the Bose is the easier recommendation. But if you want Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, automatic sound optimization, and integration with a Sonos setup, the Roam 2 offers more flexibility. So, choose the Bose SoundLink Flex if you mainly want a durable Bluetooth speaker for everyday portable listening. Choose the Sonos Roam 2 if smart connectivity and the Sonos ecosystem matter more to you. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which speaker you choose.